Those toys coming at you again. Some more of our mini bods, mini spies seems to be a little bit popular with you guys, so we will continue to go on. So we've already done the car, and we've already done a tank and a plane that are not seen here. And if you do remember, there was a blue buggy and a white Jeep, or I mean they came in different colors, but there was a Jeep and a buggy. So today, let's see how to build this little Jeep. So let's get the pieces out. And let's start building. Here are all the parts you're going to need to build the Mini Spy Jeep. So pause here if you need to and go find all these wonderful parts. So again, pause if you need to. If not, let's get right to building. So again, the basis of the whole section is this inverted bracket. And then you're going to put a 1x1 brick with the stud on both sides. And then on the bottom, you are going to put two clippy pieces like this, and you're also going to put this handle piece on like that, and just put it like this. So you should have this for now. Okay, then for the Jeep, we're going to just take a 2x2 tile, put it there on the first stud, one 1x2, another 1x2, and then we're going to put the piece that will become the head. So you can use a 1x2 with around with a hole in it, or a flower, or whatever you want to make a face, so you can see front of the Jeep. Then we are going to take this this piece here, which is the tile with the two sections, and put it on like so. From there, we're going to put two more clip pieces in white this time on the back. Another handle piece. This time we're going to face it so the studs are facing down. We're going to take a smooth tile, 1x2, put it on there, and we're going to take a 1x2 regular plate. Then we're going to fold it in so we get the shape of the Jeep. And again, you can build this in whatever color you like, and we'll just put that down for a second. So like all the other ones, you're just going to build the arms with a 1x4 plate. Then you're going to put on a 1x2 smooth tile with two black 1x1 round dots on each side. Do that twice, and then we're just going to hook it on to the car. So just do that quickly again. And again, if you remember the original offerings with the G1 toys, they did come in, I think, red, blue, and white, maybe another color, maybe yellow too. So that I don't know if there was red actually. I think it was yellow, blue, and white. I could be wrong. So there you have your little Jeep. And of course, like the other ones, if you haven't built those, they're all pretty much similar. You can use this to, if you're an Armada fan and you're not familiar with the mini spies from way back in G1, you can use this and connect it onto your larger bots by using a stud or a jumper plate. So that's kind of cool for a power up. Or you can just make these little bots and trade and make them, I don't know, you can make them any color you like, as I said, because they did come in some colors for G1. And you're just going to unfold everything like that, and there's your robot. This guy kind of looks like Swerve, but he's not meant to look like anybody in particular. And there he is. There's your little mini bot. So pretty cool, all in all. So if you haven't built the other ones, go ahead and try those out too. If you want to take some modification to these as well, we might do a contest in the near future. We'll see how it goes, but you guys seem to be liking the car one a lot. So that will give you some ideas and inspiration if we do have a contest. So until next time, everyone, hope this inspires you to build your own crazy little creations out of Lego. We'll talk to you soon. Happy building, and take care.